Hello friend, today I explain the submersible pump control box O-ring. DPSP switch, double pole single throw switch, overload switch, capacitor 25 micro 250 volt, capacitor 25 microfarad 220 volt capacitor, connector cable, wire connector, submersible single phase pump, line phase 220, input phase fast connector DPST switch connection, neutral connection DPST switch connection, neutral outgoing overload connection, overload outgoing in connector in the submersible pump, neutral connection, phase black common, switch outgoing phase fast capacitor connection, the connector, the phase submersible connection, blue running coil connection, or capacitor outgoing ground connector or ground start coil submersible connection start or earthing connection is submersible body connection. Very simple diagram submersible box O-ring connection. Hello viewers, full complete submersible single phase connection. Next video will three phase submersible connection. Thank you.